I request our chief guest, Mr. Anupam Singh Gehlot, and other dignitaries, that is First Officer Mr. Mahendra Singh Chauhan and Second Officer Mr. Sandeep Deshmukh, to observe all the four contingents as they parade in uniformity.
चारों बाएं से तेज चल।
Every sports meet is incomplete without official marching. And now let's witness the fast official march past of TSIS, that is the Sunshine International School, on the band of Amar Senani, which is the official band of our Indian Army. We thank our chief guest, Mr. Anupam Singh, and we thank Mr. Sandeep Deshmukh, and we also thank Mr. Mahendra Singh Chauhan, as these two had strictly observed this march past.
So, I request now Mr. Anupam Singh Gehlot as to kindly felicitate Mr. Mahendra Singh Chauhan and Mr. Sandeep Deshmukh with a special memento for witnessing our occasion. Thank you, sir. We now request our esteemed dignitary, Mr. Anupam Singh Gehlot, to deliver the presidential speech.
Today, on the occasion of annual day at the Sunshine International School, the on this occasion, the dignitaries present here, Mr. Mathurji, Principal and leader of the event, Mr. Suhas Raoji, the other dignitaries present here, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. First of all, I would like to congratulate Principal Mr. Suhasji for organizing such a nice event. Today, I saw our friends, they marched very well and very efficiently. The institute, the annual sports day, today is the third event, but the way our young friends did their march, that is very remarkable, and I congratulate them as well as the ustads also, who took lot of pain to make them to perform such a wonderful marching. Generally, on the annual sports day, in my view, everybody is winner. Anybody who is participating is the winner of the game. Not only you win the medal or you come first, second, third, but since you are participating, winner. Sports not only gives us a good health, it also inculcates so many good habits, positive attitude, team spirit, healthy environment. So again, I will congratulate to all the participants who have participated in the indoor events, and now today they are going to perform in the final events. My best wishes is to all of them who are going to participate in the final events. And once again, I will thanks to Principal Sahib who has invited me on this wonderful event. And I also congratulate parents whose boys and their daughters are participating today in the events. And also our small, very small children who have come in the form of Ganesha ji, Spider-Man, moon, environment, trees. So my best wishes for their good future. Once again, I thank to Sunshine School authorities, faculty who has invited me on this occasion. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, sir. After the final order is given to all the 4 house contingents, will march back on the tune of Sare Jahan Se Acha.
चलो, बाएं से, तेज, चल।